Need to start receiving notifications from an important messenger group again? In this guide, you will learn how to quickly unmute a group chat on Facebook Messenger so you never miss new messages, updates, or conversations from your friends, family, or coworkers. Start by opening the Facebook Messenger app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed in to the account that contains the muted group conversation. Once the app loads, you'll see your recent chats on the main screen. Scroll through your chat list until you find the group conversation you want to unmute. If you have many chats, you can also use the search bar at the top to locate the group more quickly. A muted conversation usually displays a small gray bell icon with a slash through it, indicating that notifications are currently turned off. Once you've found the muted group, tap and hold the conversation. This will bring up a menu with several options for managing the chat without needing to open it. From the pop-up menu, tap Unmute. Messenger will immediately restore notifications for that group chat. From now on, you will receive alerts whenever new messages are sent, helping you stay up to date with the conversation. Keep in mind that the exact menu layout may vary slightly depending on your device model and the version of the Messenger app you're using, but the process remains nearly identical. Mission accomplished. Your group chat is unmuted. See you in the next simple tech tutorial.